Hi guys, trading find my life here, back with another video. Okay, this time just to show you the ender wire is almost built. Need to print the panel, which is printing right now. So this will be rebuilt with Linux. I have most of the base of the ender wire already printed and fixed up. As you can see, I think not much changes to the ender wire except for the electronics. I use whatever electronics I have, and also this part right here, there's additional mounting for the dock slide, and also for the y-axis here I'm using a hard and stop, so it will be sensorless. The rails are rusty, pardon me. This one is a bit rusty. Well, that's what I have, so I'm going to use with it. And also the clicky mount here is a servo clicky mount, and this time it will be installed on the gantry instead of on the frame here, so that you won't need to have a Z and stop down here. Alright, so it's much more better. And this will be running on still SKR Mini E3 V3, or don't know whether I should change another board for that. I will see, because this SKR don't have CAN, so I will need the U2C down here. And running on this Pi, it's a Orange Pi 02, or I think, can't remember this one. And the carriage is here. Carriage can go up and down until the fan touch the belt down here. So the total travel that I got, this one I already posted inside the Discord. So the travel for X is 220 max, Y 251, Z 213, and the build volume that we'll be getting is X 220, Y 235, and Z 213. And you can fit 4 R2T tool head, so that's good enough for tool head for ender 3, you know, 4 tool head. This is ender wire considered, and it's good enough really for 4 tool head. I mean, most of the other tool changer also have 4 tool head, so for this to have a 4 tool head is very good enough. I mean, if you use index, something like index, maybe you can fit more, I'm not very sure. But with Linux R2T you can fit 4, and I will be trying out also a new toolhead that I've built. We'll see how this goes. I will test this toolhead. And the carriage is not yet fixed because I still need to wait for one screw that I'm missing down here. It's not yet arrived. Once this screw is arrived, then this carrier can be fixed on the carriage itself. And the duct will be somewhere here. Yes, down here is the duct. Alright, so just a quick update on Lineux Sling. This is the next project, using the original Linux screen as well. And this Voron skirt is the stealth skirt. I made it to look like the stealth skirt. And for the back, the fan, I've changed to a 4010 fan, smaller fan. Basically, other than that, there's no other changes. This feet is a printed feet with a rubber feet down here. As you can see, I've put in some yellow in between them to make this look a bit nicer. And yeah, basically that's it. That's the simple explanation for this. Once everything is fixed, I will live stream the Linux build together with the dock slide. The dock slide will be in front here with the 4 tool heads, and at the back here will be the spool mount. I will show the rendering right now on the screen, you can see. And alright, so anything else we will continue in the live stream. I will keep you updated. I'm not sure, so I need to purchase some hot end as well, so we'll see how the build will go. Yeah, this will be very slow, times are a bit tough. Right, so see you guys.